Welcome to our channel. So lovely to have you here.
Hello everyone, today we will be making a Halloween faux donut, so come along and we will show you how we do it.
The supplies we used were apple barrel classic caramel paint and toasted marshmallow paint, 2 styrofoam discs from the Dollar Tree, a glue gun, a paintbrush, gloss Mod Podge, and orange puffy paint, and also some faux sprinkles, but we'll show you that later. Let's start by grabbing those styrofoam discs. Next, using your hot glue or any adhesive that you want to use, go ahead and glue those 2 discs together, but do not glue the center portion of each disc. Reason being, your next step is to poke a hole through both layers of the styrofoam using the handle of the paintbrush. Now these little discs from the Dollar Tree have a flat edge all around, and a donut doesn't have that flat edge, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of that by peeling away the hard sides of each disc. And I'm doing that right here. And then once you have that all peeled away, then you're going to take the disc and you're going to roll it. Roll it on those flat sides. You're going to roll it in and you'll hear crunching. And if you hear crunching, you're doing it right because you're pushing those flat edges inward.
Once you have all those flat edges rounded off, you will have an authentic look donut shape.
Okay, so anyone who's ever eaten a donut has seen that the fry line, there's a fry line that runs all around the circumference of the donut. And what it is from when they fry it, each side gets darker when they flip it. So the middle's always lighter. So to do this, to recreate that look, you're going to take the toasted marshmallow paint and make a ring all around the donut. Then you're going to paint the rest of the donut, the classic caramel color paint.
Doesn't that look real, guys?
All right, so to make it look even more real, you're going to take some of that gloss Mod Podge and give it a good coating.
Now that the donut is all glazed up, it's time to add your faux orange icing.
And now it's sprinkle time. We're going to show you how to make these sprinkles. It's one step, absolutely just one step. Take the poly bands that you can get at Walmart in the hair section, cut them into tiny pieces, and there's your faux sprinkles. Sprinkle generously. Everybody loves sprinkles.
Isn't this the cutest Halloween donut you've ever seen?
We thank you for watching, and remember, in this world of chaos, confusion, and heartache, God is always with you. If you're going to pray, don't worry.
And if you're going to worry, don't pray.
If you thought this video was a treat to watch, don't be a trickster. Give it a thumbs up.